the mental health issues among Malaysian university students are worrying.
A study was done on 258 Malaysia Medical University students in 2019. The study shows 58.6% of them experience depression.
I am organizing the self-care campaign to help students cope with mental issues through self-care. Collaborates with Kebel Minda, YSEALI Kelantan members, and UMK students. It is set to be implemented in the first week of July 2023. My team submitted this campaign idea to ASEAN Youth Journalism Contest 2023. I believe YSEALI Regional Workshop can connect me with the possible partners, develop my project management skills towards the succession of self-care campaign, as well as helping me to champion mental health in the university as a whole.